Once upon a time, in a small, colorful town, there lived two best friends, Ria and Anu. They loved eating snacks, but their favorite treat was Pani Puri, crispy puris filled with spicy, tangy water. One evening, while playing near the park, they discovered a mysterious food cart they had never seen before. The cart was glowing softly, and an old man with twinkling eyes stood behind it. A sign read, "Magical Pani Puri, taste the magic." Excited, Ria and Anu ran to the cart. The old man smiled kindly and said, "Would you like to try my magical Pani Puri? But beware, each puri comes with a surprise." The girls giggled and nodded, eager to try the special treat. As soon as Ria bit into her first puri, something amazing happened. She suddenly found herself flying high above the town. She could see the rooftops, trees, and even her house from above. She felt light as a feather, floating on a cloud. "Wow! This Pani Puri makes you fly," she shouted to Anu, who couldn't believe her eyes. Anu quickly ate her puri, and instead of flying, she turned invisible. She giggled as she watched Ria trying to find her. "Where are you, Anu?" Ria called, spinning around. Anu playfully tapped Ria's shoulder, laughing. "I'm right here, silly." The old man smiled and said, "The magic only lasts until your next puri, so enjoy your adventure." Curious to see what would happen next, Ria and Anu tried more puris. This time, Ria gained the ability to talk to animals. Birds, cats, and even a dog gathered around her, talking about their day and asking for treats. Anu, on the other hand, became super fast. She zoomed around the park, running faster than the wind. The girls had so much fun with their magical abilities, but they knew they had to return to normal soon. As they ate their last puris, they turned back to their regular selves. The old man smiled, handing them one last puri each. "These are special, no magic, just delicious. But remember, the real magic is in sharing and having fun with your friends." Ria and Anu thanked the old man, who waved goodbye and vanished with his cart into the night. The girls walked home, laughing about their magical day, excited to share the story with everyone, and from that day on, they always remembered that sometimes,